Today I want to talk about colors and shapes in custom number formatting. Let's start from information that we have 4 sections in custom number formatting. First one is about positive numbers, then we have negative numbers, value 0 and text. We don't have to use all of those sections, but we can change colors for all of those sections, and all of those sections are separated by semicolon. Okay, so what colors we have? We have 8 named colors, and we have also 56 color X. So color 1 is black, color 2 is white, and so on, just like we can see here. Then how can we get shapes? We can use unitchar function if we know code for the sign for the char, and then we can copy those results and paste as values. Then we can copy those signs. We can copy them also from internet. There is one more solution. From insert tab we can go to symbol, and for example with normal text we can go to geometric shapes and we can see some interesting shapes. We can just double click them and they will be insert in a cell, selected cell, and we can then copy them and add to our custom number formatting. And because we are using different shapes, I will prefer to create this custom number formatting code in the Excel cell, then copy to formatting. And because we are using different shapes, we have also want to add space with a backslash, because this will force Excel to show this space. Okay, so we can just copy this code, go to the other sheet, and we can just select cells we want to format, Control 1, custom number formatting, Control V, and if we write proper code, we can just press OK, and I now have green positive values, red negative values, blue 0, and for me pink text.